Well, we know what you're doing this weekend.
I'm concentrating.
Are you? You can't do two things at once, can you?
I'm a woman. I can do three.
Can you? I'd love to know what the third one is. Gee, it was cold this morning. Oh, it's -4. You better stay inside if I was you.
I plan to.
You were excited to get back here to do this, weren't you? Your face was glowing gold en route.
I'd like to say thank you very much to everyone who's offered to send me some more gold from America. You can't get it in the UK. I have tried many times to say thank you to those people who also said you could. It is... If you can
Oh
see
yeah,
that.
tell us which one it is then.
So it's a liquid leaf by...
Spin it slightly, the bottle.
Can't remember who it's by. Classic Gold.
It's by Madame Midas.
It just flows like mercury. If you watch one dip and it just look at that run, one stroke is plenty.
It is. Looks, with the light here, it actually looks a bit coppery.
Like
on
I
this
said, I
side.
think it's got a little bit of a tinge of
Do you?
red in it. So yeah, copper.
And the ones, I can't even remember who did this for you when Have you done these
No, I've
this
just done
morning?
them.
God, you're not hanging around, are you? I've done nothing this morning so far.
But if you go down
Down where? Cellar?
behind me, you can see
Yes.
one's in the light.
What a difference it makes when you come around this side.
And that's my first one on the bottom. Not sure how much of the detail here I will do with the gold. I'm just concentrating on the tulips first.
Yeah, because I think I've read in a few of the comments people were saying possibly do the ball, and I'm guessing what they meant was the one under the rail. But I don't know, I think sometimes...
I quite like it like that.
Yeah, same here. I was going to say, I don't think it needs to have too much.
This is definitely going white though. I've seen a photo of this quite similar staircase, and this is white with the wooden tops, and it looks spot on.
Well,
So-
chop, get the white out.
When I've run out of gold and waiting for more to come, then I'll start the white.
Right, okay.
White?
Well, wait. So
Mention about the ball.
yeah, I forgot to mention that. I think people were talking about your ball.
I'm not painting this ball purely because you're going to come down the banister rail, slide off the top,
And
and
you might.
rub the paint off. So
Yeah.
that's not even worth it because it'll just come off anyway eventually. People's rings and greasy hands all over that.
I think,
Maybe you could give it a polish with your Gilded.
yeah, I did once polish it. I didn't spend a lot of time on it. But I wonder actually if we could get it even plated if we had to. We could actually, someone I know actually back in the UK does that. We could just whip it back and do that if we decide. But then, do you want that brand new sort of polish look? Or I don't know. Oh, excuse me, by the way, if anyone can smell ginger, my wife is drinking pure, neat ginger to get rid of this cold. Is it working?
It's certainly hot.
I'm not sure you meant to. Are you meant to drink it neat or?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
It's a fiery ginger. Am I sticking my hair to the gold?
No, you weren't. No, I'd have told you.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, right. So it's been shoved over to the cleaning department. And let's see if I can, well, we might as well have a go at cleaning it first before we go to our plan B or even C. I think it'll come up all right actually. So I'll get some of this, I think I've showed you before, but I use quite often Barkeeper's Friend. See how we get on. Wow, that's made a bit of a difference. Bit of elbow grease, bit of Barkeeper's Friend, and hopefully that will get the royal seal of approval. I'll go and put it on the staircase now. Well, I think that was a success. If anything is too bright. Yes?
Yes,
No?
darling, do You've done a wonderful job.
You can't tell any difference, can you? I know why. It's because I said I couldn't see your warm paint you put round the edges. I never could see it. Payback, isn't it? I've just spent 6 hours rubbing that and no genie came out.
You mean 6 minutes? While you've
Yeah.
been doing your 6-minute polish, I've been painting gold nipples.
Where?
Here.
Bet you didn't spend 6 hours doing that though, did you?
About 6 minutes.
Yeah, all
It
right.
goes on really quickly and easily, this paint. I remembered the name of it, and it's the maker is Plaid, Plaid, Plaid. So I'm now deciding whether to do detailing on the middle bit, because obviously it needs something in the middle.
Let me show. So that's almost like a cube. And what's that in the middle?
Oh, that is the same as the mouldings I had to make on top of the fireplace.
In the dining room?
Dining room.
It is, isn't it?
Yes, but if you come down here,
Okay.
you can see I've done one down here.
Right.
I'm not sure if I like it or not.
Coming down the stairs.
This one here.
Ah.
Not sure.
Is that one of the ones
So-
that grow on you?
Yeah, I'm going to leave that for today. Finish off the tulips and the nipples. And then I've got a bit of a surprise for you.
For me or for my lovely audience, our Ferté friends? Well, just outside, and I completely forgot. A lot of people ask, could you do a video of the chandelier in the hallway from outside? I hope it's coming through, but it's a lovely golden glow that shows right down the hallway, as you see. I don't know if it's coming out on video very well. Obviously there, you can see through the railings or through the metalwork on the window. To me, I think it's the right height, I really do, but as I come up, maybe not that clear to see just the way it's glowing. If I can, yeah. But what I really wanted to show, more than just the fact that you can see the chandelier, is the colour. I think it's just so warm and inviting. So yeah, really pleased actually with the overall effect we got there. And what a bargain for €100. Well, the sun's out. I need to do a couple of repairs up on the roof. So Mr. Beast is out again. I've just suddenly seen that perfect width for the tracks. It was almost made to measure, wasn't it? Wow. It's a bit dodgy taking this onto the grass at the moment, so I can only really work up and down the driveway. Thankfully, the side that always needs repairing as I come round is this side. The other side's new, so occasionally you'll see a few tiles that have gone, or I've noticed out of that window in the corner by the chimney there's a couple of slips, so I'm just going to go and replace the crochet stainless steel up there. And yeah, not looking forward to this. I think the secret is don't look down. Well, as you can see, it is a height, but what really helps, so I've got a few tiles I've noticed on this edge, a few brittle ones and a few that slid down and come away, so I'll replace them. The advantage of having obviously the cherry pickers, firstly I can get very close to it. It's so much easier for me to work from. There's another one I could do with sorting out as well. It doesn't feel like I'm 28 meters up in the air, whatever it is, and and even when I do feel scared enough to get out quick, I've made sure I open the window so I can just literally leap across to there with my trusty ladder. Always have a plan B. So as I said, it makes such a difference now working on the platform so close. I don't actually feel like I'm up so high. So let's crack on and get these tiles replaced, and then I can get back down on the where I should be. Well, it's going to be a rainy day. It's sunny at the moment, but I know it's going to be raining in the next, well, maybe half an hour. So I thought I'm just going to try something very quick. I just want to give one of these a blast. So I moved where you can see the one that's the lion head or whatever that thing is. I've just removed that from that pillar, as you see there. And you can probably hear in the background, I'm just going to give it just a blast. Now, I don't really have time. It is on the job to do, but I don't think I'm going to have time to get around to clearing all these balustrades. I've got so many things I need to do, and today with the rain coming in, I'm just going to do internal jobs helping Carol, but let's just see how it comes up. Well, there you go. That's made a hell of a difference, actually. I think we'd get some chemicals on there, not too abrasive. The trouble with jet wash, I have to be very careful because this is quite a brittle stone, and it easily actually chips away if you put the jet wash on there too hard. I did try on a bit over on these pillars, and as I said, you know, you can see that the little bits might come away. So for the moment, that's made a big difference. I'll carry on cleaning, get the head done, and then we can get that put back. But as I said, the balustrades, I'll wait till I've actually got the tops on, which is a job tomorrow. And then hopefully, we can see if we can just give it a gentle clean, just to make it a little bit better, till I get a chance to do a proper job.
Good morning to our house in England. So today I've put it off for long enough. It keeps raining and Adrian doesn't want to do it. Today we want to remove this shed. The reason being, although it's storage for the garden, that is where the sun is in the summer. So I want to have more of a seating patio area there, so that I can chill and get a tan. But first, we got to move all the ornaments. I brought quite a few over from the Chateau already, just little ones, along with one olive tree that got broken. So, remove the shed. We have to book a slot at the local tip. So I'm going to dismantle that and put it in Adrian's car, because it's not allowed to take the van. So, first job, get all the ornaments out. Right, the mist has cleared. Sorry about the video earlier. And the shed is emptied. All we've got left is this mirror to move. All the ornaments are gone up onto the terrace here. Sorry, the patio. I'm just waiting for Adrian to come back. I've left him a sign. I've asked for his help, and also I think we've got Zach coming too. Oh, I can hear them coming.
Hello.
Oh, cool, sun's in my eyes.
I bought you a special package to help. Here he is.
Zach! Hey!
He's coming around.
Oh my goodness, what's Big Grandad been doing at work for you?
I don't know.
I don't know. My red's on there. That's a bit spiky, isn't it? That's to keep the cats away.
Zach on? Is that instead of crack
So you know
on?
your bedroom that was in the garden? We're going to take that down today. Does that mean a big hammer?
Yeah.
And a coat by the look of it.
Right. Let me in. Go on then, in you go.
Jump! So you're all ready for work then, Zach?
Yeah.
Where's your hammer?
I don't know.
Oh!
You're not ready for work then?
I don't know.
Is it moving? Zach?
Yeah.
Is it sure?
Are you supervising, Zach?
Yeah.
Right, stay where you are then. I'm not going to have any grass left.
That's this bit.
There you go, that'll do.
Could be the two.
So I can sit, what's it? Let's consider
Could
I've
have-
got a telescope in there.
Could have made it into a sauna.
You still could. Do you know what would have been quicker?
Torch.
Petrol and a match, yeah. Been nice and warm as well.
Zach's happy with a pile of wood.
You won't come in here because there's a million spiders.
A million spiders.
1 million spiders.
And worms.
And worms.
Oh,
And rats.
I hate worms and slugs and snails and worms and bugs.
Okay, shall we finish off?
Look what I've made, Glamour.
Wow, you've made your own little shed.
What are we going to do after this?
Put it all in Grandad's car and take it for a drive.
For a drive?
And then we'll take you to the woods on your bike.
Huh?
Take you to the woods on your bike. Would you like that?
At Alice Holt.
Alice Holt, yes.
Yay!
And go on the,
Today.
maybe if it's still sunny later.
Okay.
And we go on the Gruffalo Trail.
Glamour. Uncle Rob told me how to climb a tree.
Maybe Uncle Rob could teach you how to climb.
Slugs.
You can't climb a slug.
Ha!
Right, as you see, shed is down in bits. Now, this is one thing I don't like back here in England, actually, is the fact that I need to get this all to the tip, or as we say in France, the chateau. Now, in France, I just chuck it in my van, take it down there, throw it all in. They take care of it, which is brilliant. Over here, slightly different. So you have to book a slot. It's free, but you've got to get it all in your car. And as I said, you can't just turn up. So you have to pre-book a time slot of half an hour to take it down there. I could use my van, but then I have to buy a permit to take it down there, which again, I don't understand that, because it's almost encouraging people to fly tip. You know, you go down some of the villages, down the lanes, and people just throw their rubbish on the side of the road. Understand that now. So I've got to load all this in here, and then off we go. And well, I hope I can get a good majority of it in there, although it's not probably going to be too good for the car, but we will see.
Exciting. It's Christmas come early. No idea what this is. It's a gift for the chateau from William M. Harrison II. Ooh, it's a bit posh. Oh. Ah, nice one. Thank you very much. Someone who listens. Not like you. Adrian, I'm talking to.
And
Are you ready for this?
all I do is video.
Close your eyes, Adrian.
Close my eyes?
Yeah.
That worries me. If the camera's wobbling, it's because my eyes are shut.
Are you ready?
Always.
Open.
You are... That is absolutely brilliant.
That is a very heavy duty one. Right, I'm going to put my name on this, Carol only.
Oh.
So you're not allowed to use this.
But I do the heavy duty stuff. Oh.
And I've got some silicone sealer to use there. I know, some silicone. No, start again. I've got them dumb again.
You're right, it's the cold weather. Blame the cold weather. It's affecting me big
Wood
time.
filler, I've got more wood filler, flexible wood filler.
Ah,
so
yes.
I look forward to using that later. So thank you very much.
You are a superhero.
Mr. Harrison II. Yes, and you may notice while I'm sat here that the bolster cushions are their back.
The pair are back.
Are they with tassels or are they without?
Oh, even I don't know that. So as everyone you can see, it's really now starting to come alive. So Carrie, am I showing what you've been doing earlier?
Oh, golden nipples.
No. I want to show what's beneath my golden ball.
You mean?
Can I? No.
You mean this?
Yes.
Spectacular. I've outdone myself this time.
I agree with you on that. It is amazing. But am I?
No, you're gonna have to wait till next week.
No.